Hey guys, what's going on? Now we're gonna ride the 2018 Yamaha YZF-R6 here on the West Loop at Miller Motorsports Park. And God, this bike it really is the best handling Yamaha production sport bike. Best handling Yamaha production street bike. It is unbelievable how good this thing handles. The R1's awesome, R1's awesome, R1M's awesome, but this thing is truly on another level. It's unbelievable how good this thing handles. Right now we're riding in TCS setting 1, so the least restrictive setting. We're also riding in power mode A, SDMS, or I'm sorry, D mode, power mode A, and what this does is power mode A is real good because it allows the engine to spool up fractionally quicker than in standard mode. And you gotta think, these Yamaha R6s, these, or any 600 for that matter, these engines need power, they need RPM to rev, and because they don't have a torque of a liter bike, you really gotta have the throttle response just dialed, because you want to load that tire as soon as you can, because those bikes just don't have the torque of a big bike. So that's why I like D-Mode A, is because it really, when I crack that throttle, it delivers power to that back tire right away. No lagging. And when you have a good set of tires like we have right now, the Batlax R11s, the tire can sustain that kind of immediate load because it's a high performance racing track tire. God, this bike is just unbelievable. It's literally handling on rails. "2018, this bike carries over, no major changes, but that's okay. We don't need any change. This thing rips. Handles like a scalpel. Tons of power. Top end power, that is. And this is the most aerodynamic motorcycle Yamaha has ever made. So even though the engine hasn't really seen any updates since 2008, it actually feels a little quicker just because the bike's more slippery. And I need all the help I can get. I've been eating too many cheeseburgers, so a little slipperier body work will be good for me. You know, we spent yesterday on the YZF-R3, today on the YZF-R1, R1M, and those bikes are great. But really, this is the bike. When you're riding at a tight and technical racetrack, you simply can't beat the handling of an R6 and the power. They're just such versatile bikes. They do everything so good. These bikes are all about going fast around turns. All about handling, precision. And that's what this bike gives me. You know, I grew up riding Yamaha R6s. I had a 99 and a 2000. Or 2001, I think maybe it was. So I have an affinity for these bikes. I used to race them when I was a kid, and they just have a really special place in my heart. I say that about a lot of bikes because I like a lot of bikes, but these R6s, man, there's nothing like them out. There's nothing else like them. A lot of other companies make great 600s, but they're just not. They're just not like this bike. This machine's fitted with a Yamaha accessory muffler by Yoshimura. And it's got Yamaha's optional GYTR quick shift kit. So upshifts are a push away. Still have to make downshifts the old-fashioned way. There's no auto blip, but that's okay. Listen to that thing scream. thing has a mind of its own, this engine. Screwed it up right there. Gotta grab third gear as you go in these two lefts. Important not to rush them too. These are really tricky corners. And really when it comes down to it, when you're picking a Yamaha R bike, it all comes down to where you're going to ride. You know, if you're riding exclusively at the track, the 2.2 mile road course, get the R6, man. If you're riding somewhere, you know, faster, if we were riding this outer course, the 4 mile outer loop, you know, then you'd want an R1 for sure. God, I'm screwing up all these shifts. That's the thing about these R6s, you really got to be mindful of the shifts. Got to keep these things on the pipe. It's very similar to a 250F motocross bike or a two-stroke motocross bike. You really got to keep these things wound up, and when you do, they really go, man. Because you don't have all the torque, you got to keep these engines spooled on the boil, put them on the brick. Well, that yummy horsepower is. I think this thing makes probably right around 105 stock. When you massage these things, you put a pipe, you tune them, you flash them. God, these things will make 120 horsepower, no problem, on pump gas, without doing anything. Amazing amazing engine Yamaha has with this R6. Truly amazing. Even the braking components on this thing doesn't have the terminal speed of a R1, so it doesn't have to have the crazy Brembo brakes. The brakes on this thing work just fine for me. Of course, ABS kind of helps you if you're in a jam on the street. But overall, R6 for scalpel track whaling on a small course, R1 for you know, riding on the street if you want big power, riding somewhere fast. And God, if you're getting into riding, that R3 is a great way to do it. And it was an absolute hoot to ride on track yesterday. I couldn't believe it. I was really surprised how fun it was to ride. You know, we recently rode the Ninja 400. Make sure to watch the videos on my channel. And I was going to ride off the R3, but you know, we put those race tires on there. God, it just opened a new world of experience. Whoa. Right here. And that's a ride on the Yamaha YZF-R6. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already yet. And let me know if you like seeing these videos. Love to hear from you guys. And until we ride next time, see you guys.